Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to uninstall apps in Galaxy A14 device. So, we have two methods to uninstall the application. Like, if I want to uninstall any application, so just long press on this icon, and then here we have an option of uninstall. So you can just tap on uninstall so that the application will be uninstalled. So this one is the first method. Like if you long press on any application, so if we have options of uninstall, you can tap on uninstall and then application will be uninstalled. And the second method is you can go to settings, go to apps option. So here we have all the applications and just select the app which you want to uninstall. Like I want to uninstall Outlook, so just tap on Outlook, and here we have an option of uninstall, so just tap on uninstall so that the Outlook will be uninstalled now. And as you can see, we don't have any application of Outlook here because it is uninstalled. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helps you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.